Scientific notation. Sometimes numbers become incredibly large, like the number of grains of sand on a beach, or incredibly small, the size of an atom in kilometers. Rather than writing out all the zeros needed, we use scientific notation. Many of these very large or very small numbers occur in a scientific context, and that's why it's called scientific notation. We'll talk more about this later. Scientific notation means writing a number between 1 and 10, not including 10, multiplied by a power of 10. We're going to talk about this more just here. For large numbers, the power of 10 will be positive. When we talk about large numbers, we mean numbers bigger than 10. For small numbers, the power of 10 will be negative. When we talk about small numbers, we're talking about numbers less than 1. For a number already between 1 and 10, the power of 10 will be 0. A number in scientific notation is in the form a times 10 to the n, where a is a number such that a is between 1 and 10, note with 1 included, but 10 not included. So we can have 9 point something. The important thing to note is that you're going to have one digit, let's say p, in front of the decimal point, and that has to be a non-zero digit. So it can be any of the digits from 1 to 9. That's the one in front of the decimal point. And there must be nothing else in front of the decimal point other than that digit. The n here on the 10, the power of 10, has to be an integer value. So we can't have things like a half or a third.